Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you how to furnish Frostcrag Spire. Early in the game you can find Frostcrag Spire, which can be your home without doing any additional quests. Right here you can find Altar of Enchanting, Altar of Spellmaking, Atronach Altar, and teleports. Here you can find Spire Vault, and in a living area you can find alchemy, ingredients, and teleports to other guilds. In order to furnish the tower, leave it. And next, during the day, go to Imperial City Market District. Go here. Enter Mystic Emporium. And now talk to this NPC.
I hope I can help. I've been hearing disturbing tales about him.
Go to bartering. And here you can find Frostcrag Alchemy Lab, bedroom area, library area, and vault area. Buy all of these items.
A fine bargain for you. Thank you for your patronage. Bye.
And the quest is completed. Now you can go back to the Frostcrag Spire Tower. And as you can see, the tower is furnished. Right here you can find bed, chests, and alchemy ingredients. The chests are safe, so you can place items right here and don't worry, they will disappear. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.